Yeah. Sweet dreams.
Hello, we Monkeyians! I am finally back! Woohoo! And today we are gonna learn how to make Spankies, or superhero underwear. Yeah! Alright, first copy the front half of your underwear of your choice. I chose some boy shorts. So, copy the front half, and I folded the stretchy fabric in half because it's easier to cut this way. And then copy your crotch seam and then fold it all the way over to copy the back. This way it's nice and smooth and you only have to cut once. Yay! And then, well, twice. I lied, twice. So cut out that section right there, then fold it over and then trace it. That way it's half and half and even. Woohoo, we leveled up. Once you cut that out, then you're going to pin the sides together. Make sure you try this on quite a few times. Trust me, it helps. Then sew it up. I used a zigzag stitch, and I also used stretchy fabric. This is left over from the Suicide Squad Harley Quinn shorts, just so y'all are aware. Then I got some fabric paint, and I painted Devil May Cry on my booty. So I just decided to use that. That's the type I used because it stretches with the fabric. Yes. And I allow it to dry for 24 hours. Do not do a heat treatment because it is spandex. And then I go back and decided to add elastic. I wanted the look where the elastic sticks out of the shorts. Well, Spankies, whatever you want to call them. It's up to you what you want to call them. Hot pants, whatever. But I decided to use the elastic on the outside because I wanted more of a generic underwear type look because I'm just weird like that and I wanted an extra inch or two of fabric, so that's the way I went with it. So pin it all the way around. I would suggest putting the elastic around your waist or wherever you're going to end up putting these and cut it about an inch or two shorter than what it normally is. That way the elastic actually I ain't even gonna try to say that word. That way it stretches to where it needs to be appropriately stretched, because that's the whole point of elastic. It took me forever to figure out this little trick, but I finally figured it out, guys. Yay! But make sure you do that and pin it however, and sew it up using a zigzag stitch. And make sure you go slow, because this type of spandex and stuff is very slippery on the machine. And here you are. These are the magical, beautiful Spankies. See y'all next time we get to work on the skirt. Happy cosplaying!
Jackpot.